Hi, I'm Jonathan Kane. I'd just like to introduce you to one of the best value commercial and industrial boiler analyzers that you'll find on the market today. What makes this Kane 958 brilliant is it's an all-purpose commercial analyzer. So that means, for example, it's got a CO range of up to 10,000 ppm with a pump that protects it if it sees CO above that level. It's also got options, so you can fit, for example, an NO sensor if you're dealing in a low NOx environment, or if you need to measure other gases like, for example, SO2. You can fit two toxic gas sensors whenever you want at the time of your choosing. It's also got something that's truly unique. It's called Kane Link. So when you turn the dial down to here, it enables you to attach wirelessly other probes, other sensors to it, so you can simultaneously see what's going on when you're testing a boiler or a furnace, but you can also get other measurements. So the Kane 958, brilliant for commercial or industrial boilers. You're inside the property, whereas it's outside the property, so you can wirelessly test for CO, you could wirelessly test for temperature, humidity, and airflow in the room that you're in, or you could take flow and return measurements wirelessly with no trailing cables. So you're talking to the customer, you're showing them what's going on, whilst all the time wirelessly measuring what's actually happening. Great little features, all backed by UEi Service Plus.